What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Taking a short little road trip to Chattanooga today, this Friday, October 16th. And I just thought I would grab a little highway footage of the 97 E300 diesel. We're just cruising along. A little trafficy out. She is a cruiser. I've been running 80, 85, no problems, piece of cake. Man, that's such a clean old car, clean old Benz. Hope everyone's doing okay. I'm going to get my title and my tag. Let's see if we can get her up to a little more speed here, get around some of these people. They're going a little too slow for me. Let's get rolling.
Watch out, vehicle stopped on shoulder ahead.
Yeah, shut up. That's the one thing about these Om606 diesels. They are cruising machines, man. Not a ton of power for, 0 to 60 or anything, but once they're rolling on the freeway, you better get the hell out of the way, man, because you are going to be rolling down the road. I'd love to drive a 98 or 99 with the turbocharger. I've never driven one. Had a chance to buy one about a year and a half ago, but I didn't. I should have. But there's something about the naturally aspirated inline six that I just love. I'm sure I would love the turbo inline six as well, though. I like all Mercedes diesel engines, even the damn 240D, and it's 67 horsepower. It has its own little charming character. Cabin noise is pretty good. It's pretty quiet in here. Getting a little warm. Let me turn on a little climate control. Yeah, there we go. Tell it's a Friday afternoon. The interstates between Atlanta and Chattanooga. Whew, always busy, covered up. People getting away for the weekend, headed up to the mountains to go camping, or people have been working down in Atlanta all week, construction, heading home back to Tennessee and the North Georgia mountains. Oh, look at there, straight shot. Here we go. Let's roll. Now, there's nothing fast about her. As far as, how long it takes to get to the speed. But once you're rolling, man, you are rolling. Well, there's my problem. Holy cow, that scared the shit out of me. I guess I would just rip it off. I don't know what to do. I'll let y'all know. I'm on the side of the interstate. I see it's unplugged one fog light. I gotta get this thing straight. I'll be back. You gotta love it when your front belly pan decides it's gonna drop to the ground. I guess because it didn't like 95 miles an hour. I mean, that bitch just went wham into the pavement. So I pulled over and I crammed it back up in there, and as soon as I got back on the interstate, it finally just shredded off. And I saw it fly up in my rearview mirror, and it's gone. Oops. But I mean, what the hell else can you do? So looks like I'll be hunting for another belly pan for this thing, because I just shredded the existing one. But I'll try to edit the video, the last video, because I dropped my phone in between my seat when the thing decided to let go on me. And the camera ran of filming the carpet for several seconds until I could get off the side of the road. Fun. Adventures with a new car when you know, first road trip, interstate, the things you experience, things that happen. At first I thought it was a flat tire, but anyway, no harm, no foul, I guess. Everything seems to be operating correctly, and I can actually still hear part of the front corner up there scrubbing the pavement. So it probably won't last too long. Anyway, y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, comment. Please like and comment. It helps my channel. Of course, it just helps me be able to grow and do more videos and buy more cars. So y'all definitely throw a comment down below, like, and you know, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. It really helps. Thanks so much. Ooh, look at the pretty mountains peeking out up there. I hope y'all can see them. Ooh, good old North Georgia mountains. Y'all have a good day, and we will see y'all